The world's first self-charging solar smart lock. With just a little light, shade or clouds don't slow me down. Even with low light, I can generate power. Thanks to my BMS system with industry first light sensing. Bright light, protected. Low light, optimized. Simple. My low light charging efficiency is 6 times higher than traditional solar panels. Even weak light keeps me going. As long as there is light, I am charging during the day and night. On sunny days, or even rainy and cloudy days. Always on, always visible.
Can you open the door for me?
Of course. With 3D facial recognition, you don't even slow down. One look and you're in. At night, with IR night vision, still clear. Even you are, with beard, hat, or dirty face. It's no problem. Trying to fool me? Nice try. Fingerprint just got effortless. One touch, and you're in. Built to recognize, no matter what. Wet, oily, dirty, still works. Honestly, I might understand your fingers better than you do. Or however you like. Hey there, I'm ready. Want to be the first to take me home? Back us. Be the first to own the future.